Hello guys, welcome to Blogs OJ. My name is Obinna Johnson, and in today's video I'll be discussing DeFi. What is DeFi? Why is DeFi important? What are the benefits of DeFi and how DeFi works? So what is DeFi? DeFi, or Decentralized Finance, is an umbrella term for financial services on public blockchain, primarily Ethereum. With DeFi, you can do most of the things that traditional banking system supports. For example, you can earn interest, you can borrow, you can lend, you can buy insurance, you can even trade assets and derivatives, and you can do many other things. So why is DeFi important? DeFi, or decentralized finance, is like a supercharged version of Bitcoin. While Bitcoin is all about digital money, DeFi goes further and creates a complete digital alternative to Wall Street. But here's the kicker: it does this without the hefty costs you usually associate with traditional finance, like fancy office buildings, bustling trading floors, and those big banker salaries. Imagine it as a way to make financial markets more open, free, and fair for everyone with an internet connection. No need for exclusive offices or fancy suits. Just a digital space where anyone can participate in financial activities. It's like bringing the power of Wall Street to your fingertips, minus all the barriers associated with it. So, what are the benefits of DeFi? One of the benefits of DeFi is that it is open. No need to apply or open an account. Access is granted by creating just a wallet. Secondly, pseudonymous. What does that mean? It means there's no requirement for personal information like name or email address. Thirdly, it is flexible. You can move your assets anywhere at any time without permission and costly fees. Fourthly, it is fast. Interest rates and rewards updates rapidly, often every 15 seconds. Fifth, transparent. All parties involved can see the full set of transactions as it happens. So how does DeFi works? Users typically engage with DeFi via a software called dApps, or decentralized applications, most of which currently run on the Ethereum blockchain. Unlike conventional banks, there is no application to fill out or account open. So what are some DeFi activities today? One of such activities include lending. You can earn interest and rewards every minute by lending out your crypto. Secondly, you can actually apply for loan. You can obtain a loan instantly without paperwork, including short-term flash loan. Trading. You can actually perform a peer-to-peer trading of certain crypto assets without a brokerage. You can actually buy derivatives too. You can make long or short-term bets on assets, similar to stock options or futures contracts. So what are the downsides of DeFi? One of the downsides of DeFi is fluctuating transaction rates. Active trading can get very expensive due to Ethereum blockchain transaction rates. Secondly, high volatility. Depending on the dApps and usage, your investment may experience high volatility. Thirdly, record keeping. Users need to maintain their own record for tax purposes. I believe this video was informative. If this video was helpful to you, please like, share, and subscribe for more content. You can also comment below if you have any topic you want me to discuss. Thank you.